Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. Next let's select pin, and now enter at least 4 digits. Then let's select complex password. Enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go forward and first go to fingerprint. Enter fingerprint management, register, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face recognition, create now, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.